Hello and welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. It's that time of the year again, so let's take a look at some Easter eggs with diecast in them. This first packet here is a Majorette one. It says here on top. It's pretty old, I'm guessing. It comes from a French toy store. I picked it up on sale. It says on the label here on top €5.99, but I paid €2 for it, so €1 per egg. So let's take a look inside. There's one. And there's two. Oh, there's a date inside the package. There's a stamp. It says February 19 of 2010. So that's already pretty old. I think I bought these in 2018. So let's take a look at the first one. If I can open it like this. Yep, there we go. So here we got a Majorette Firetruck called Pompier, 1:100 scale, metal base, metal body. It's got the ladder on top. It's already pretty old casting, I think. 911 emergency. It even has some suspension. That's cool. Also comes with these little signs here. So let's take a look at the next one. This says Pinder on it. Pinder is a French circus. This one comes with a ice cream truck where there's a monkey trying to get in and steal all the ice cream, and there's also a lion in the egg. So this one is called Fourgon. This is in 1/67 scale. Also has a little bit suspension. So it's got some ice cream cones in the back. This is actually a plastic piece inserted in it with a window here. Very cool. Got the trailer hitch. These doors don't open, but it does have a working feature, and that's this thing here that comes out. So let's take a look inside. It's hard to see inside, but you got two coolers in the back, and then the typical ice cream cone things in the front. Really cool. Awning, that's the word I was looking for. This awning, that's what it is. Okay, and then the next ones, these are from RMZ City, the junior collection. So that's the ones that don't have an interior and have plastic tires. Let's see how easy these will open up. Not so much. That's what I was afraid of. I'd have to use the knife. Try not to cut myself. Where they have one finger that's hurt. So here we have a Camaro, a 2010 Camaro, in a matte yellow. I don't think I have it in matte yellow. I have it in a shiny yellow. So this one looks pretty cool. These are Pretty cool, these RMZ Cities. Just too bad the wheels are a little bit boring. So plastic base, metal body, no suspension. Pretty nice stance. It's got decos all around, so you got the headlights, Chevy bow tie, the grille, you got the tail lights, you got the stripes on top, so very nicely done. A little bit of damage because of shaking around in the egg. I thought these would be in a plastic bag to protect them a little bit, but so there's some paint damage on the mirror and something here, some scuffing on the side. So, well, you know, they were only €1, so I bought these last year after Easter. They were priced down to €1, so cannot really complain. Here we have the Range Rover Evoque in white. It says Range Rover in the front, headlights, grille, and the tail lights. Little imperfection there on the corner, but not really damage from being in the egg. Pretty lowered stance also, maybe a little bit too low for a SUV. We have a Audi R8 in a matte black. This one does not have the headlights, only the Audi emblem and the chrome ring around the grille. Now, I said they all had the same wheels, but they all have different wheels it seems now. Tail lights. The wheels are pretty okay. Already have 3 different styles of wheels, so that's better than I thought. And the last one is a Mercedes, the E-Class E63 AMG in a gloss black. Got a lot of decos in the front. Headlights, but not the little daytime running lights in the middle here. It says E63 AMG on the license plate. Got the grille, Mercedes emblem. On the back, just the tail lights. No Mercedes emblem there. So this one has the same wheels as this one. So all in all, pretty nice. Definitely for the kind of money. So let's round them up here. Of course, the Majorette ones are the nicest in my opinion. Definitely the ice cream truck, that one is really cool. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.